Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Ashley. I make videos about nursing school, fitness, etc. If you guys are interested, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys how I get back on track fitness and beauty wise after vacation. I just went to Miami. It was a super fun vacation with my family, and I'm back home now. I was like really excited to come back home and get back on my routine. Obviously I was really sad to leave, but I like being on a routine. I did vlog when I was there, but it was not enough clips to put in an individual vlog, so I'm just gonna go ahead and insert them now. Today's video is a vacation vlog. I'm very excited. All right guys, so we made it to the Airbnb. This is day 2. We arrived yesterday. Some people are still sleeping, so I'm not gonna talk super loud, but let me show you. I'll take you out here. Is this view? It's really warm today. We have a pool day, so we're just gonna hang out outside. So we've got this big pool, and then we have a view of the bay. So this is the bay. They have got tons of tiny fish in there, and then down there, I don't know if you guys can see, like, yeah, look at those big ones. It's not that deep, but the grass, we're kind of picky, and we grew up, you know, it's funny, this is Chelsea, my sister.
What's that?
We grew up going to the lake.
Right into it. I'm gonna demonstrate the 6 movements. So your knees are off of the mat if you need to modify.
Day 2 in Miami, and we have my mom rented a Jeep. We're about to go to the beach, like go on a walk, a stroll on the beach. There's the beach. Guys,
That other guy looks like he's just chilling.
this camera is not doing the water justice, but it's so pretty. Let's go, girl. We are finna to go snorkeling. And just like that, we are home. Towards the end of the trip, I really stopped vlogging because I realized that it was not happening. So, first things first, I got home last night at like 12 a.m. My flights were freaking crazy. I basically had 2 layovers. It was very much not fun, but it's okay. So I'm going to unpack my suitcases because obviously I came home, I got ready for bed and went to sleep. So I'm going to do that. A lot of this stuff is clean because we had a washer and dryer there. So I'm gonna put a lot of it away. It is currently 9:20. When I was on vacation, I was actually going to bed at like 9 to 10, and then I was waking up at like 6 to 7. But I got home late last night, and I also have to stay up late until 12 tonight because I have to work tonight. Yeah, so I wanted to wake up a little bit later than I'm used to. Okay, I'm in the process of unpacking, but I thought I would note or tell you guys how I order my groceries. So I do Walmart pickup, so it's very convenient, so I don't have to go to the store or anything. And I ordered all of this stuff a couple days before I left, so I'd have it whenever I got home and be ready, because there's been times when I went on vacation and I wanted to do a Walmart pickup order and it wouldn't be ready until like 2 days after I got home, and then I'd have no dinner, so I had to go eat out. So avoid that by doing it when you're on vacation. So I got lots of snacks for work. I work in the ER and I don't really have time to go like eat lunch most of the time. I have to eat at my desk because I'm like working on the doctor's schedule, especially if I'm working like in the trauma place at my job. So today I'm not working in trauma, I'm actually training someone. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I just wanted good snacks to bring with me. So I'm gonna finish unpacking and I'll talk to you later. All right, for the most part, everything is put away. I've got snacks that I need to put away, but I just haven't done that yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym. One thing that I was doing poorly on at vacation that I need to do better at is drinking water. I did bring this cup from Target. It's like 20 ounces though. I did refill it a couple times, but like I could tell that I was not drinking enough water as much as I usually do. So I have a hydro jug that I use to kind of keep up on my water. I'm gonna try and drink 2 of them today. We'll see how it goes. I do not like to drink a lot at work because I can't take so many breaks. Anyway, I'm gonna go like grab a snack because I haven't eaten anything, and then I'm going to go to the gym and work out, and then come home. We'll see how I do a boot camp workout. I haven't worked out crazy. Like when I was on vacation, I did work out like at home, but like I didn't run or anything, so we'll see. All right guys, I finished my workout. I didn't vlog there because someone was coming in and I didn't have my camera and I was using my phone for the workout, but I did like a 30-minute body weight boot camp. I am so tired from that. It is currently 11:05. I can go pick up my groceries whenever now, so I wasn't planning on coming home. I was gonna go straight there, but I was like, I should probably shower because when I get home I want to start meal prepping, so I have to like put everything away and then take it all back out after I shower. So I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna wash and condition my hair. My favorite shampoo and conditioner are these from Not Your Mother's. I don't really care what color I get. It's either the green one or the orange one, or yellow, whatever color you call that. But that is what I love using for shampoo and conditioner. Favorite body wash is Dove Mango. It smells so good. And then for my deep conditioner, I'm going to put this in since it's in the shower. It is Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. A lot of times I hate when vlogs are like, I just did this, and they never show you. But I'm just trying to get stuff done before I have to go to work. Why are you driving so slow? But I did just pick up my groceries, and then I headed to TJ Maxx to pick up some stuff. Anywho, I'm at Chipotle now to grab some food. All right, this is what I ended up getting for my dad at TJ Maxx. Thought it was perfect. So I'm gonna have to find a picture of my siblings and I, which is gonna be very hard. I think the last one we took, we were all together in Miami, but we didn't take a picture together. So the last one we took all together was in Cabo, which was like a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. So maybe I can put that in there. And then here are the notebooks I got. Nothing special, just notebooks that were like $5 each. All right guys, I am about ready for work. I wasn't planning on vlogging. I thought I'd show you guys what I'm bringing. First, I want to show this headband. It's some Hello headband, but I got these. I think I may have talked about this in a previous video, but I got these little magnet like mask holders from Etsy. I only work 8-hour shifts, but it's nice to have them not on my ears. Let me show you my lunch bag. Usually I don't bring a lunchbox, and I just kind of shove everything in this backpack, which is a nice backpack. This is the Buff Bunny Game Changer backpack. But if you look in it, it's kind of just one big compartment. There's no like organization in here, so like it's kind of hard to do all of that. So I thought I'd bring a lunchbox today. This is from Amazon from years ago. It's stained. I never really used it, but somehow it's stained still. So I'm sad because I forgot to get ranch at the store, and I thought I had some, so I was planning on bringing carrots, which I'm still going to bring them, but I'm not sure if I'm going to eat them. So first, my Cheerios as a little fun snack. Got these containers from Target today. They're like popping open already, so hopefully it doesn't spill. These reusable bags, I love using reusable bags, are from Amazon. I got my carrots in here, and then some cheese, and then I've got some pretzels to go with my cheese. And like my main thing, which is why I don't have many snacks, is my leftover Chipotle if I have time to eat that. This is the next day. I took a shower from the gym and everything. I'm getting back on track with the gym, which is making me super excited. I did legs today. It's on my Instagram, the workout I did. I'm about to meal prep. This is not a meal prep video, so I'm not gonna go super in depth with it, but I will show you guys what I plan on making, even though I think I told you guys yesterday when I was doing my grocery haul, but I will show you anyway. Also, I don't want to really film it because I take forever to make food and I'm just gonna be struggling. And when I film stuff, I just feel very pressured for whatever reason. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it is, show you guys the final meals, call it a day. So yeah, usually for like meal preps, I kind of do like 2 or 3 meals. Recently, I've just been doing 2, and I just do 2 different proteins, 2 different veggies, and I like to do 2 different like starches or not starch, but carbs as well. So my 2 proteins are shrimp and chicken. So those are gonna be like my 2 main meals, and then I have 2 side meals this week that I can have for lunch, or I can just eat very fast. One of my side meals is a salad. I got peppers to kind of cut up and put in my salad. And then my other side meal is pasta salad. That I made, my mom made when we were in Miami, and I was super happy about it. It was really good. And I realized that when she made it, I was just eating the pasta and not eating the vegetables in it. So I'm just putting peppers in that and then nothing else. You can put like salami or pepperoni in it, but I don't really like those. I was not eating it. So I think I'm just gonna put peppers in that. Also, I'm not the kind of person to like buy stuff and then like only use a bit of it. I think I got tomatoes for it. Yes, I did get grape tomatoes as well. I do not like tomatoes, but I thought I'd get these because I needed something other than just noodles and peppers. And my 2 veggies for this week are broccoli and green beans. I thought these would be pretty good, and I think I'm gonna have those with my, so I think I'm gonna do shrimp, potatoes, and broccoli, and then chicken, green beans, and rice. I forgot to marinate the chicken, so I need to do that before, like just a little bit. When I marinate my chicken with, I guess I'll show you guys. I usually just use Italian dressing and Tony's stuff. Seasoning, I don't know, I've been doing it for the longest time. I don't know why I do that still, but it works. And then for the shrimp, I've been doing like a hot sauce kind of marinade, but I'm kind of over it, so I'm gonna look up a recipe for a shrimp marinade. Okay, I'm back. I thought I'd show you guys the marinade that I'm gonna use for the shrimp that I found on Google. It's just olive oil, soy sauce, garlic, and honey. That seems like that's it. So I'll let you guys know if it tastes good. Kind of scared, but it kind of sounds good, and I've seen multiple recipes for the same marinade, so we'll see. I'm gonna rinse the shrimp, peel off the tails and everything, and do all of that. All right, the pasta salad is done. I ended up just cutting up the bell peppers, put some of those in there, some grape tomatoes, some cheese, some Italian seasoning, and some Italian dressing, and I think it'll be good. I'm gonna put it in this container, and this is perfect for work if you work in the hospital like me, where you don't have time to go heat something up and stuff. This is perfect. And I don't have any meat in here. Again, I didn't like the options. I guess you could put chicken in here if you want, but I might do that. I don't know. It's more like a snack. It's more like a snack for me. So I'm gonna put that in here, and then I will go ahead and make my meat. I'm going to grill the chicken on the George Foreman, and then I'm just gonna put the shrimp on the stove, and this marinade actually looks pretty good, so I'm excited to try it out. I was closing these up and I almost forgot to show you guys. So this is one of my meals. I've got broccoli, chicken, and the potatoes in here. I did not cut that up well enough, but whatever. Put my extra chicken in here. I was hoping to have more, but it's fine. I'm gonna use that for my salads whenever I have those. And then this meal, I just have to add, I think I called those green beans broccoli. I'm pretty sure. This one, have my shrimp, my rice, and I'm gonna add the broccoli in here. All right, last meal is complete. Now I have like to clean everything. I decided to just go ahead and put stuff in the dishwasher because it's just a lot. That is one con is meal prepping, is that you've got like a ton of dishes, but then you don't have to wash dishes like daily. The only dishes I wash daily are my meal prep containers. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because that is everything. I obviously rinsed out my leave-in conditioner this morning. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of get back into the routine and swing of things of daily life. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I'm trying to post more on my Instagram, which is just Ashley and Tobin. So if you guys want to follow that, I greatly appreciate it. Other than that, I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.